guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. But if you are new here, what's Gucci? Today's gonna be another TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. I know I look super pale today. I don't know what happened to my foundation or if it's just the lighting. I just realized that right now I look kind of like I want to be Morticia, but it's not working out for me. That's cool though. I have some stuff here from a haul that I filmed, and then I don't know what happened to the footage. I'm gonna insert some of the stuff that I had found that I did have, you know, the footage of. That's gonna go right now, and then we'll get into the stuff from today because you'll see me looking the same. So I kind of have a mix of stuff. It's all in this bag, so it's just all mixed together, which probably isn't a good thing. First thing that's sitting right in front of me, it's big, as you can see. This guy, so it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawer, but technically like a 5 drawer acrylic thing. So all of it's together. It's just one huge thing of drawers, and this is just my face brushes. I finally got this. I had been wanting some new drawers for a while because really like face brushes are just like chunkier. They take up a lot more space, you know what I mean? So I wanted to get the thicker drawers, and I just needed more drawers in general for my face brushes. This is the brand Clearly Chic. I feel like that's what brand I usually get these acrylic stuff. Maybe it was on the plastic wrap. I think it was on the plastic wrap actually, because it was like totally wrapped in plastic. But this guy was $24.99. You know, that price hurts me, but thankfully my mom actually bought it for me. Thank you, Mom. I have something from Ulta. I walked into Ulta. They were actually putting some really good stuff on their clearance sections, and they were doing like 75% off or something, or like an extra 75% off. I don't know, it was ridiculous. And I actually found one of my favorite perfumes of all time. It is the Burberry, My Burberry. So it has the original sticker here of $72. I got this actually 75% off because they had marked it with a green sticker. So I think I only paid like $18 for this, which is crazy. So I had to share it. Make sure you're going to Ulta and checking out the clearance sections always, because you never know what they're gonna be putting in their clearance section and marking 75% off. I know while I was there, I also found some Becca stuff, and I think I found a Lorac blush that I got each for like $5 or $8. So crazy. It's already in my like thing, and it's from Ulta. It's separate. So, but I wanted to share this just to let you guys know. Check Ulta clearance section always. Back to TJ Maxx, and actually this is from Marshalls. I got some more Quay sunglasses. We already know. Just be prepared to see the entire website on my channel because I want to get every single style that they have because I love Quay sunglasses. These were actually a little bit cheaper. I don't know if that was the wrong price or if that's really the price they should be. I got these for $9.99. They're usually $15, so I saved a little bit extra money on these. This is in the style Kingsley. You guys know how my hauls go though. I can't put this over my makeup because that's just not happening. That's what they look like on my face, kind of. I should really like post a huge collection picture. I post it on my Instagram or something so that you guys can see them all. But I really like this one. But I highly suggest, if you guys haven't bought any of the Quay sunglasses, I really think you should try them out. They have so many styles, and finding them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls is, you'll find them cheaper than like just about anywhere, even Nordstrom Rack. This one came in a pouch, so like velvet pouch. Oh, I love these. I think this is a different color of a style that I already have in black. I have these in black also that I showed in a haul. So again, these were the $14.99, and it's like a tortoise shell, but oh, so cute. I love these. These are like Rockstar sunglasses. I love. This is the Cover FX. This is their contour kit. It's the Truce contours, not powder, it's cream. But it was $12.99. It says compare at $22. This palette I am in love with. I haven't tried it yet on my face, obviously. I just got it today, but I really think I'm gonna like it. Just, I don't know why. I got mine in the color medium deep, so I'm gonna be on the lookout for the other colors also to try out. Here's what the palette looks like. It also has like, looks like they just have numbers for their colors. I just touched it with my finger. Okay, didn't mess it up. It's got a mirror in there. This is a cream. I touched it. No one had touched it before me, so, oh my gosh, what is going on? I don't know. I just touched this though. Is this a cream? Oh yeah, the highlighter's a cream too. Now, with some other stuff that I had found from that haul, I got 2 of these toothbrushes. They are just the Humble brush. I don't know what's so special about these. I got these though because my sister is pretty into them. Eco-friendly and socially responsible, so maybe that's why. They're vegan. I don't know. They were $2.99 a piece. They say compare at $4, but I just got 2 of these brushes to see what the hype's about, see if my sister wants some. And then you guys know, because I have nothing but all the Quay sunglasses, but not yet quite the whole website. I'm really into sunglasses, so I picked up one of these sunglass holders to go on like the visor part of your car. Came out really weird. This was only $2.99. It says compare at $4. I should have gotten 2 to put one on each side because I have so many sunglasses anyway, and I only got 1, and now I haven't seen them anymore. Those are also nice if you have huge sunglasses, which I do have some that are like obnoxiously ginormous. So if they can't really fit into a container or like sunglass case, then it would be nice to put them up there on the sun visor too. From Burlington, I had gotten this book. I love it because it's Juicy Couture. You guys know the obsession is real with the velour Juicy Couture stuff. This is just a juicy notebook and it's the velour, so I had to get it, you know? This is just gonna be like a decor piece. I think I paid like maybe $8 or $4 for this once it got marked down at Burlington, so bougie. Got some Halloween stuff because it was on super sale, because obviously I found these after Halloween. If you guys don't know me, I'm obsessed with the sequin stuff that changes colors, that you just like flip through and it changes. So these are actually just little pillowcases. They were marked down. They were $3.50 a piece. I don't know how much they were trying to get originally. They're by the brand Mac Studio Home. Super cute. I had to get because they change colors. So it just reverses. I like the ones that like have a totally different design on it once you like flip it through. But this one was cute too. So it just like reverses. So it'll have a black pumpkin and an orange background. This looks like I'm like rubbing myself really weird, but whatever. But so yeah, it changes. Actually managed to get 2 of these because I do have 2 chairs downstairs in my living room, which is where I put most of like my decor for the holidays. I guess we'll get into the Halloween candle first since we're on that. I got the Zombie Brew candle. This one I had gotten for $7.99. They didn't mark it down, but whatever. But I do like these because it has a really cute little like spider web on it. Again, really nice to reuse and use it as Halloween decor, so I'm gonna store it with that stuff. I realized though they have like a collection of all like the brew or whatever, the Halloween candles that look the exact same, but they have like a different sticker. I'm pretty sure they all smell exactly the same. Someone can let me know if they don't, but when I smelled them, they all ended up smelling the exact same. I don't know, it was weird, but I like the smell. I had gotten 2 of like kind of more fallish scent candles, but I managed to get Everyday Luxe. You guys know is my favorite brand of candles to get from TJ Maxx and Marshalls. My hair looks weird like that. This is the first one. You guys know I reused the containers, so this is super pretty. These were $7.99. They say compare at $12, but you guys know I love these. I get these just about every time I see them. This one is Whiskey and Cedarwood. It smells so good. I also got this one by Everyday Luxe. This one is the Amber and Cashmere. So now on into the makeup. The Makeup Revolution Beyond Radiance palette. It is the 3 Radiant Lights highlighters. A really nice mirror, especially for the price in here. And then you've got your 3 highlighters. I had wanted this for a while, but I just couldn't justify it. I think in store it's like $15, and I think I actually only ended up paying like $3 or $4 for it. So that was like a super steal. So I was like, we're getting it. From Burlington, I managed to find this Pure Quick Pro Portable. It's a 2-piece on-the-go highlighter and contour palette. I had seen this before, but for the price they wanted still, I don't even know how much it was. I think it was maybe like $10, $12. I was like, I don't really need it that bad. They had marked it down to only $5.99. Look how teeny tiny, and like it's great for travel, don't get me wrong. I'm not like a huge Pure Cosmetics fan, so like that $12 was like, nah girl. Look how tiny they are. You do get a mirror inside there, and then here is the highlighter, which the highlighters are kind of light, which right now looking at me and how pale I am, you would think that it'd be great for me. Then you get the little contour. These might work better for me as eyeshadows, but they're still cute, small, portable. It was $6. Found some stuff from Becca. Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation. This color is in tan, so it's another one of those that's like perfect. Sorry, this hair. This isn't my first time picking this up, but I really do like it, and it's nice to add into other foundations that might be a little bit more matte if you want them to look a little bit more dewy. Also from Becca, Shimmering Skin Perfector Poured Cream, but in the color Rose Gold. So I had the Prosecco Pop before. I think I mentioned that already now. Still has a little paper on top of it. I got one of these Smashbox Little Baby super travel friendly eyeshadow palettes. This is in the Photo Matte Eyes. I guess you get shadow, liner, and a brow powder. Is that what they're thinking? Oh, it does have a really nice mirror on it, and then you have all your eyeshadows. It looks super cool toned, which I don't have too many palettes that are cool toned. Sometimes I do like to go that way, especially in the wintertime. I feel like that's the best time to go with your cool toned makeup, you know, because it's gloomy out. I will mention this lipstick because I only found one of it. Too Faced lipstick. This is in a color I didn't have yet. This is actually in the color Doll Face, so it's a super light color. I think it would actually be too light for me, and I'd have to use it in just the center of my lip. And they actually have little peaches like engraved into it. The packaging is beautiful. These are like $6 or $7 if you snag them at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, so definitely collector piece in my collection. I found only one thing from MAC. It is just this MAC lipstick. I had seen this before and it was $10. I know that for a fact because I was like, is this worth $10? And my friend was like, no, it's not. And so I didn't get it that day, but then I saw it again and I was like, you know what? Today it's worth $10. The collab with Ellie Goulding. Really pretty like pinky. Oh, it's pink. It's a light pink. $. I don't know how much these cost originally, but I'm all for MAC. It's hard for me to resist MAC unless it's like a ridiculous, crazy high price. I only found one thing from Stila this time, and it is one of the Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadows. So this one is in the color Gypsy. It's super pretty. It's almost like a blue lavender with like, is it gold reflect or is it purple reflect? And then I found one thing from Kevin Aquan. It is just in this little pouch. This is another one of the Pure Powder Glow. This was the last color of these that I needed. I do really like these blushes. I think they're beautiful. This one is in the color Natura. It's pretty glittery for such a light pale pink, but I think it's super pretty and I wanted to get all of them and now I have them. Kevin Aquan, you guys know I usually don't like the packaging, but the products themselves are like A1. I did find a handful of Kat Von D stuff, so I'm going to start first with this blush because I only found one. This one was in the color, or is in the color, Sid and Nancy, so it's just the shade and light blushes. So you got the darker and the lighter shade. And also from Kat Von D, I did find 2 shades of her lipstick that I didn't have yet. So these are just these Studded Kiss lipsticks. Gorgeous. Gorgeous orange color. It is in the color Halo. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. This really pretty, it's like a brownish red in Chula. Super pretty. I hit the jackpot. I'm pretty sure these are on my Instagram already. Like I said, this is from a while ago and I lost the footage. All of these eyeshadows were in the line and I just went through and picked every single color that I didn't have yet. Metal Crush eyeshadows. This is in the color, is it Raw Powder? Raw Power. Really pretty. Ooh. They're all like metallic-y, like foiled colors. Oh, so pretty. More of like a brown color. This one, oh, it is brown. It's like a golden brown. This one is in the color Synergy. Orangey red. This is in the color Dose. Like 12. Here is these 3 because they do kind of look similar. So this is Raw Power, this like red maroony color. You get Dose in the middle, which is kind of like an orangey red, and then Synergy is the brown. I got this true like silver color. This is in the color Static Age. Gorgeous purple. This is in the color Danzig. Okay. These I'm pretty sure are super fragile, so I'm really trying to be careful with how I put them down. Whenever I found them a lot of other times at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, they were all shattered. Really pretty blue and Paranoid. I managed to find 2 of the greens, so I found the lime green color. This is in Electric Warrior. And then this gorgeous emerald color is in Iggy. Here's the 2 greens together. I found a handful of the Anastasia Beverly Hills, the AVH. Found some more of the lip glosses. You guys know I always have to check my lip glosses before I buy them, but these looked safe. I could trust these, I think. But so the lighter color that I got is Amber. It's a nice little lip gloss, and I like these because they're not like sticky and gross. This is in the color Warm Bronze. So super excited for these, to add these to my collection. All of the colors I think that are out right now for the Liquid Glow. I've only seen these 3 colors, unfortunately, so I'm on the hunt, constantly looking through these whenever I see them because I know there's like maybe 5 or 6 total colors of the Liquid Glow. First there is the bronze color, which is just a bronze. And then I got Peach Fizz, which is just a peach color, and I think this is actually the one that Norvina said was her favorite. And then I have this gorgeous kind of like a pinky peachy color in Oyster. I managed to get 5 of the lipsticks, which I'm super excited about because I love these packaging. I don't know, something about it is just so gorgeous to me. First color, Brandy, so it's just this gorgeous like reddish deep brown color. And then this one is just kind of like a nude, nudie pink, pinky nude in the color Buff. This really pretty dusty mauve color, which is the name of it also, Dusty Mauve. Another deep, dark, beautiful color. It looks really similar to the other one. This is actually in the color Rust. Lastly, for the lipsticks, color Stevie. So it just looks like this. Ooh, super pretty. That is everything from the TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. Hope you guys subscribe if you haven't yet. Make sure you hit the little bell notification so that YouTube alerts you guys every time I post a video. And also so that you guys don't miss out on any of the giveaways. Thank you guys so much. Muchísimas gracias. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.